Joe.
I'm Jess.
And this is gonna be our new channel called
Joe
and Jess. And what are they expecting? So you'll be expecting lots of vlogs,
Adventures.
styling videos. I keep forgetting shit.
Shopping hauls. HAU outlets. Not the halls. The candy. Make sure to keep an eye out for us. We'll be coming your way really shortly. We're just trying to find places to go.
We're trying to.
And if the budget pulls out too. Peace out, YouTube. Hashtag.
No, I say hashtag.
Go.
Hashtag.
Love you.